Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. In today's video, we are going to do some organization. As I said in, I think another video, in the chat with me video, that my channel will be about, of course, cleaning and organization, decluttering, and all that. So today I'm going to be doing some decluttering and organization, and it's got to be done in my bathroom and my bedroom. A little bit of everything. So anyway, I'm going to show you the problem areas that I have, and we're going to just go from there. So anyway, come along with me as I declutter and organize my room and my bathroom. Okay, we are standing in front of my bed, and as you can see, my bed is made. These two drawers right here, they need to be decluttered and, of course, organized. And this is the, what's called the toilet closet, whatever you want to call it, and the cabinet right there. It needs to be decluttered and organized. Probably most like just kind of more organized or whatnot, stuff like that. So. And then I have a drawer right here, as you can see. It's just a little messy, and I just want to see if I can do a little bit better of organization. And then underneath this cabinet. So as you can see, I have a few little areas that I need to get done. Okay, so what I'm going to try to work on now is probably the very first part of the drawer here. I'm going to remove it, take it all out, and go through it and see what it is I need and don't need, and go from there. Well, I may need to clean some of this stuff out, like clean the drawer out. I had no idea it was like that dirty. No idea I had this stuff in here. Interesting. Oh my gosh, guys. Look what I found. I don't even know what this is. I don't know. Anyway. So, I definitely need to get my vacuum. So, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my trusty little Dyson here, and I'm going to, let me show you, first of all, let me show you guys how dirty the drawer is. Give me 1 second. As you can see, it is dirty. Definitely needs to be vacuumed out. Probably need to clean it too. And instead of you guys having to listen to my Dyson vacuum, I muted the clip. So anyway, yeah, I started I didn't even realize how, I guess it was like more dusty than anything. So I cleared some of the dust out, and then I did the little multi-purpose spray, and I sprayed the stuff on the rag, but it really wasn't doing any good, to be honest with you. So I just did it on that one drawer, and I don't think I did it to the other stuff because I don't think it really needed it that bad. It just more needed vacuuming than anything else. So anyway, and I got up to put my hair back in a ponytail because as I was trying to vacuum the drawers out, my hair was getting in my face. So I was like, you know what? This is serious business, so I need to get my hair back so I can get this done. So anyway, and then of course right now I was kind of sorting through things of what I wanted to kind of get rid of and decluttering and whatnot. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Let me see about playing some music for you guys so you can hear the music. Oh, one more thing I was going to say with you guys. I didn't have as much stuff to, I guess, declutter as I thought I would. and it just kind of surprised me and all that. Later on, you're going to see me putting some like towels in, I think, the bottom drawer, and I do that because I wanted to move some stuff from underneath my cabinet in my bathroom, and put it into the above cabinet in the toilet closet. But unfortunately, I had to move the towels and we don't really use those towels all that often. I mean, we might use them for like cleaning or something like that, but we don't use them because we have specific towels that we have for like drying off after we've, taken a shower. So we don't use the towels that I put into the drawer like every day. So I'm just kind of a little bit of FYI. I mean, nothing major or whatnot. So anyway, here I am getting the Dyson out to vacuum the dust out of the drawer. So anyway, and I'm showing you just how clean it looked after I vacuumed the dust out. So anyway, I'm basically just kind of rambling on right now. Oh, and look, I'm putting the stuff back. And this was mainly like seasonal stuff only. That's it. That's all was in that drawer. It's like seasonal stuff, like wintry stuff, bathing suit, that type of thing. And right on time, I'm putting the towels into the drawer so that way you can see that. So anyway, yeah, good times, good times. Back at it again into the bathroom. I was taking all the stuff out of the under the cabinet, and and like I said, I didn't have to really declutter any of that stuff. It was just mainly organizing it better. So I was just pulling everything out so that way I can kind of get to everything. And my makeup bag is that white thing that was right there in the basket thingy. And then there I go into the toilet closet cabinet so that way I can kind of straighten it up a little bit because it was a little messy and stuff like that. But I don't know if you really could tell, but there's those towels and stuff like that that's on the second part of the shelf right there. Those are our towels that we use to clean with. And we have some hanging up, so we have 2 sets. And the ones that we have hanging up right there, I'll launder them and all that. And then when I need to get the new ones out, I get them out of this cabinet. So anyway, just a little FYI for you guys. So that's pretty much it. But yeah, I was now, I think, moving things into the upper shelf cabinet is my hot rod rollers. I never even use them anymore. But I really don't want to give them away or declutter them because the minute I say I'm not going to use them anymore, I end up using them. So rather than me give them away, I just wanted to put them up in the cabinet. So that's what I did, plus with my makeup. And I think at the end of this, after I'm done organizing, I kind of give you a little story about the makeup. It's nothing major, so if you want to stay on watching this and stuff like that, you'll hear like a little personal story from me and all that. But anyway, yep, here I am putting all my stuff back in there in order this time. Organized it. Yeah. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I don't know if I'm going. Let me see if I'll play in something for you guys, some music. So I'm just not rambling on. Anyway, hang on. And now we're getting into the after. So I was just kind of giving you an overall look, what everything looked like after I organized it and decluttered. And like I said, that's all like seasonal stuff, like wintry stuff, bathing suit, that type of thing. And of course, these are all towels. And these towels we just basically like use to clean. So we're not like using them to dry off after we bathe or anything like that. And of course, I was showing the overall look of what the toilet closet cabinet looks like. And now my drawers in my bathroom, that was, you know, I like the transformation really right there, because that was quite the transformation for me. And of course, underneath my cabinet right there. And guess what? It is so much easier to get in and out of now. So I'm totally loving it. I love the way it turned out. So anyway, that's it in a nutshell, guys. And then there is my decluttered step I'm pointing to it. So that was it. I was actually honestly surprised that I didn't declutter that much out of my drawers. Hey guys, I wanted to kind of have a little discussion with you guys. As y'all saw earlier in my video, that I decluttered and moved around a bunch of stuff from my bathroom. You know, I just moved a bunch of stuff and everything, organized it. But I never did really show you guys what this was, and this is my makeup bag. And I've got like eyeshadow, can you get it out of the bag? And powder and foundation. I don't know if you could see the name of it or what it is, but yeah, I've got lots more in there. But I kind of wanted to talk about the makeup, and as you can tell from my other videos, I don't wear makeup. I just don't. When I dated my husband, back way when, we've been married for 16 years, when we first started, you know, when we were dating and everything, when I was younger, I wore makeup. I wore makeup all the time. I mean, there was a time where I would never walk out of the house without makeup on. That's how much I wore makeup. Well, with everything that's going on in the world, and I don't know, I guess for me, I know that there's like probably chemicals in the makeup that is not good for you. And I just prefer not to like wear it like all the time. Now I might get out the makeup for a special occasion, but that's very, very rare and all that. But, and personally, I know there's makeup out there that's like organic and maybe better for you, that doesn't have a bunch of chemicals in it. That's fine. But I don't have the funds for that. I don't have the money for that. And for me, I'm like, I already have makeup, so why go out and buy new makeup, you know, for that reason. And honestly, like I said, I don't even like to put makeup on anymore. It's, you know, of course I know in the, you know, it's summer right now, but you know, in the summer it melts off your face, and I'm just like, yeah. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of share that story with you guys, because, you know, I know y'all probably saw me getting the makeup bag and moving it, and you're thinking, okay, why is she moving that bag of, you know, and all that. So I just wanted to kind of give you the gist of it. But yeah, if you don't have the money to go out and buy something new, don't. That's the way I look at it. And it's kind of like with organization. If you don't have the money to go out and buy a bunch of bins, don't. You know, I make the best with what I have. Now, there might be times where I go buy some bins or whatever, but right now, just don't have the funds for it. So I'm thinking, same thing kind of with makeup. I already have makeup. I mean, do I wear it all the time? No, I haven't worn makeup in at least a good 2 or 3 years, but even longer than that. I mean, that's how long it's been and all that. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys and share a little bit of personal about me. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I thank you for listening.